Hi, what are you doing?
I'm making the pickled cucumber and daikon.
Is that loud enough for this to pick up?
I think so.
What ingredients are you using?
Cucumber, daikon, carrots, onion.
Okay.
I sprinkled the salt already.
What's next?
Soup base. Ponzu.
Mix it.
Korean miso, gochujang. Chinese miso, tobanjang.
Is that spicy?
They both are a little spicy. Gochujang is more spicier. Ginger, pickled ginger.
Pickled ginger.
It's food dyed benishoga ginger.
Did you put ponzu already?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
Garlic powder is the key.
Garlic powder is the key.
Ingredient. Also, you can frozen.
Wait, aren't you gonna cut it?
No. Frozen garlic. You don't need to. You suck up all the juice and get softer, and then you eat it with pickle when it's ready.
You could also use that garlic in another dish. Right.
I'm gonna save this. Take out some for my hari
Some of the daikon.
daikon for the future use.
You're gonna cook that one, right?
Yes, I'll explain on different video.
Okay. This one, all the vegetables are raw.
Yes. Shredded onion.
Onions are raw too.
Yes. I sprinkled the salt already, so if you squeeze, all the water will.
Try to take out as much water as you can. Oh, is that why you put salt on it?
Yes.
Just so the water will come out.
And the flavor too. You want sugar? No?
No.
Okay. Sometimes they put sugar. Sometimes they don't.
You missed one cucumber there. Oh, don't you put red pepper
Yeah.
powder?
Yeah, we
Okay.
can. Okay.
You want this spoon or you want a smaller spoon to mix?
No, I use the same spoon.
Or you can use the tongs,
Have chopsticks.
pepper flakes. Those are the Korean kind.
It's not spicy as it looks. Fine grind.
What does it say?
Fine grind.
Red pepper powder,
Fine grind.
finely ground.
Finely ground one is spicier. This one isn't. Flakes aren't that spicy as it looks.
Mix it.
Mix it well. And you're gonna refrigerate it for overnight. And we'll be ready. Oh, forgot kelp. That's the main ingredient.
How about
Garlic
seaweed?
powder is the secret ingredient, and the kelp is the main ingredient.
What about that
Yeah,
seaweed
seaweed,
wrapper
that's
too?
Kelp. Kombu, kelp, seaweed.
It's a thicker seaweed than the seaweed that you get in the sushi wrapper.
Yeah, it's different.
This is thicker.
Yeah.
You just cut it up in little slices.
Yes. It's hard, but it gets softened by sucking up all the vegetable water. It's not like kimchi that you have to let it fermented in the cold room over season. This is just overnight. Pickle, asazuke, so it doesn't last too long. Should finish eating it in 1 week.
Okay.
Then you can reuse the liquid to run the second batch.
Okay.
That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you.